In the gritty world of rat rod racing, handcrafted gauges and controls are more than just functional. They're a testament to ingenuity and the DIY spirit. Unlike mass-produced dashboards, these custom instruments are often built from salvaged parts. Old clock faces become speedometers, plumbing fittings morph into pressure gauges, and even kitchen timers are repurposed as tachometers. Each piece is carefully calibrated, ensuring accuracy despite its unconventional origins. For drivers, this hands-on approach creates a direct connection to their machines, fostering a deeper understanding of every mechanical nuance. The tactile feedback of a handmade throttle lever, or the satisfying click of a custom toggle switch, enhances focus and control on the strip, where split-second decisions matter. Beyond performance, these creations reflect the personality of the builder, blending artistic flair with technical skill and celebrating the resourcefulness at the heart of rat rod culture. In high-stakes drag races, knowing exactly what's happening under the hood, thanks to reliable, personally crafted readouts, can make the difference between victory and defeat. Rat rod racers prove that creativity and craftsmanship are as vital as horsepower in the pursuit of speed.